Here's the easiest way to get immortalized in Attack on Titan Revolution. So the only things you really need are any level Thunder Spears, maximum firepower, and adaptation perk. I'm using Family Jaeger with Get Invigorate. If you have Jaeger or Fritz, use it because you'll do it twice as fast. You can do any mission, any difficulty, any modifiers. What to do is turn on your auto clicker, and that's pretty much it. As you'll be able to see here, because I have Jaeger, I'll revive and do it way faster than if I didn't. And set your auto clicker on the retry button and then wait till Immortalize is complete. Alright, well, here's Immortalized. Claimed. If you're interested about other achievements, go watch my series on how to get Shiki.